Oh, you see, it went down to past what we were gonna do.
Yeah, sometimes it's like that. Alright, I'm live.
Still want to punch him.
Yeah.
Or whatever it was.
Live now, babe.
No. When he goes live. Feeling violent today. Just kidding. I have to do laundry and pack and clean my bathroom. Why are you so cute?
Good morning, traders, and welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You can call me Smooth, and today is the day that the Lord has made. What's up, everyone? Hopefully, you guys are feeling good. We're in a crazy sell-off here this morning. Johnny has taken some shorts. He's in another one right now too. Hopefully, that one hits soon. We'll see. Good job, Johnny. Good job. All right. Hopefully, you guys are all right and ready for a full day of trading here. Welcome to the YouTube community, the TikTok crew here. Hopefully you guys are all feeling good. Let's see what happens and what we get. Looks like we are waiting for this move down to, I'm gonna go ahead and protect this.
So you sound fine.
That sound okay? All right, good. Go ahead and protect this in case the market wants to get
Good morning, everyone.
finicky here on Johnny. We'll protect Johnny.
Hopefully you guys are having a great
We'll
morning.
protect them. All right. Yeah. My wife promised me she's going to speak louder today and not just whisper in your ears. Okay.
You're funny.
I don't know where we're heading, guys, but we are going down. Let's see if we can find where the market might be wanting to go. Let's just see. Give me 1 second here. All right, hopefully we get this hit here for Johnny. All right. If we look at the 30-minute right now on the NQ, it is in free fall. Where we are right now should have some support. We did have some support here before. Let me go ahead and outline that level. This was support here at one point. And right now it looks like it wants to break through and possibly grab that liquidity that's sitting under here. And we'll see what happens after that. Maybe we get a pop from there, or maybe we continue going lower. We have previous week's low down here at 28,412. And we've got that, right? Yeah, this looks pretty dumpy here, but we could find support where we are. That's the thing. So let's be careful. You know, be very careful. Now to the upside, obviously we've got the daily open up here, which looks like it could happen. We got the VWAP up here at 29.29. We're under 29 now. We're at 28,750. So we've come down quite a bit. This market right now is in complete free fall, though. We probably do have some news that's impacting this market. It's probably some Iran news. Let's go ahead and check that out now. I haven't really had a chance to look at news. News kind of throws me off. So I don't like to be too caught up on news, because news a lot of times is kind of just a way to get in your head, and the market does what it wants anyway. So you're better off looking at the charts. You're better off looking to see where the liquidity is stacked. But I don't see any news here. U.S. retail sales month over month. I think we had that right this morning. Let me see that. No, that was not today. I don't have anything here. I don't have any news. Let's see if the Forex Factory has anything on the calendar for today. Today's the 23rd. We did have earnings last night. That was about it. Let's see. Core retail sales for Canada. Unemployment claims at 8:30 this morning. Expected 211. Let's see what we got. This morning was Thursday. Unemployment claims came in at 187, so a lot less than expected. That's not good for markets. Markets like to see more unemployment. That way you can get more rate cuts. So maybe that has something to do with this. ECB press conference Europe. That's today at 8:45. Nothing else really on the market for today. We might have some earnings today. Let me see if I can find earnings calendar for today. Let's see. Today we've got Intel reporting after the bell. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, after the bell. And tomorrow, no, there's probably nothing tomorrow. I'll just say American Express. Yeah, but today we got Intel, which is not a big deal. Yesterday we did have Tesla and Google both moving down after the earnings report. Google spending a lot of money on AI infrastructure, that's for sure. That's driving the sentiment down a bit. A lot of AI spending. All right, let's see who we got in the house here. Markets are still sliding. Johnny's getting closer to his TP. Hopefully soon. Uh-oh. No. Okay. We're still short here, down to 260, I believe. 280. I'm sorry, 680. 683. Let's see if we can get that hit. Let me say good morning to the crew. Good morning to Patty. What's up, Samara? Good morning. How are you? Paul says, good morning, traders. My driving instructor told me to pull over somewhere safe. After 10 minutes, he asked me why I hadn't pulled over. I said, we're still in Miami. Oil prices surges above $90 after Houthis attack Saudi tankers in the Red Sea. Yeah, I did hear something about that. AI CapEx spending jitters Google earnings. Yeah, Pecos, that is true. Why does my YouTube look different? I don't know, Joey. What does it look like? I know YouTube was doing some stuff with messaging and things like that. I don't know. Something's off, says Joey. Didn't you say that yesterday too? This is a big Houthi rebels say they attacked 2 Saudi oil tankers in the Red Sea, opening a potential second maritime choke point in the U.S.-Iran war. Is that why we're getting this slide in equities and pop in oil? Okay. I hope we get this push here, because I'm not really into surprises. I want to get this. I want to get this TP for Johnny. See if we can get it. I might take it manually because it's about to open. Market's about to open. If I see something I don't like on the 15-second, I'm just gonna close it out for him because he's so close right there. He's very close. Oh yeah, I don't like that. So I'm taking it. All right, I took it. Yeah, I took it. Close it off. Yeah, I don't like that little shenanigan they just pulled there. He's up pretty nicely in this account. He's up 525 on this account overnight, and he's up on this account. I think he's up a little bit. He's up about $141 on that one. All right, cool. Yeah. All right, let's see if we get some clean moves today. I'm hoping we do. Possibility you're losing your mind, Joey? I hope not, man. Babe, are you seeing the chats on that new thing that I put up for you?
No, I took it off.
You took it off?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll help you with it later then.
Okay. Patty says morning. I know.
You sure it wasn't showing you anything?
What, babe?
You sure it wasn't showing you any comments? Maybe we just didn't. Maybe we just didn't have any comments when you were looking at it.
No. Patty and Samara commented and I didn't see
Oh,
that.
okay.
And then I saw Paul did, so I'm like, oh, it's not working.
Got it. It's like they made the text bigger, like I can't see it, and I'm 80 years old. Is that so? Is that happening to everybody? Does everybody's YouTube look different? What's up, Sam B? How are you, man? Good to see you in here.
That's cute.
Guys, hit those likes. We're about to get this market started here. And Johnny's ready for a day of rock and roll. If you guys are watching over on TikTok, good morning to you. What's up, B? How you doing? What's going on to Richard Morales? How you doing, Richard? Sarah the dog, good morning. Van World, how you doing, Van World? If you guys are just peeping from a distance, come in and hang out with us. Promise you we're going to make some good trades today. If not, we're going to learn. We don't learn. Oh, man. Let's see.
Imagine he says Bob instead of Rob.
What happened?
Oh no. Oh, Patty's neighbor, little baby, so cute. I hear him sometimes. So adorable.
Who?
Patty's neighbor.
Oh, Patty's neighbor.
She has a baby boy.
Uh-huh.
And so cute. And he doesn't know how to pronounce Patty yet, but he can pronounce John's name.
Uh-huh.
But he says Ob instead of Rob, and then Patty's like he can't pronounce mine.
Yeah. Patty's easier than Rob, though. I guess not. Maybe not.
I don't know.
All right. Looks like we would have had our TP right there. Getting close. Getting close. All right, what a move. I like when the market moves in one direction.
Ooh, sorry.
She does a lot cleaner moves when she does. When she's made up her mind about where to go. Good morning, Yusuf. Maria Fernandez. How you doing, Maria? Richard Morales. What's going on? Hope you guys are ready here. The market's opening up in just about a minute. Well, the New York session's opening up here in just about a minute. And I hope you guys are ready. Because it's about to get crazy up in here.
Go bananas.
Sam B says we need Patty on the stream. Patty, why don't you join the Discord so they can hear you with your commentary? What's up, Greg? How you doing? Good morning. Can we get some 640 action on the NQ to the downside? I had a target of 683, but I took my profits because I didn't like how she's chopping this area here, and I learned from yesterday that she very well can diddle my TP without hitting it. And she diddled me like 2 times yesterday, no lie. Right to my TP and then ran right away like a little bandit. So I'm not dealing with it. I'm not dealing with her nonsense today. I'm helping Johnny because Johnny, sometimes he gets, his wrist gets locked up and he can't hit the sell button or buy button, whichever one he's in. So I have to help him out sometimes. But he does the heavy lifting. He takes the trade, and I just speculate. I just watch. What's going on, Andres?
All right.
See if we can get this move here on the open. I'm flat right now. No trades for me at the moment. Let's see if we can get something going.
Patty's going back in a bit.
Okay. Oof, Dumperoo.
Yep.
Dumperoo. That would have been my TP for Johnny, but no. Johnny, just don't get caught in any traps today, okay? Don't get caught in any traps.
Don't get caught in any crossfires. Gosh.
Don't let them trap you.
Fucking trappers. How's everybody morning so far? Is it a slow morning? Have you guys been in a rush? Are you guys excited for school to start soon? Or the school season?
More for your kids to get out the house.
Yeah. I was told at Vern yesterday that some teachers are like, aw, and then some parents are like, oh, school's starting.
Yay. Yeah. Kids being home for summer is nice for like the first few hours, but then it gets old real quick.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. If they knew how to like keep themselves entertained and do productive things, yeah, great. But it's like you gotta watch these kids.
I just want them to get out and play something on the yard. That'd be nice.
Yeah, just go do something like if it wasn't.
Productive.
Yeah, do something from the 90s.
Exactly.
We should give them a challenge one day, like just live your life for a day like if you lived in the 90s or the 80s or 90s.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, just do that.
Joey says, I don't know, I just wake up and trade.
Imagine if they showed up with a flannel and listening to Nirvana and with a Walkman and they're like, I want to go to the mall.
That'd be so cool.
I'm like,
Nostalgic.
all right. Smells like Teen Spirit up in here. Yeah, so come on, thank you. What are we doing, Johnny? We taking longs? We taking shorts?
By the way, if we can make it to 50 likes, come on, man. I want to see my husband twerk. Shake what God gave you.
I'll do the Macarena. Hit the thumbs up, sis Hamby. It's about to print money for the squad at 9:30. Joey just wakes up, rolls over, and starts trading. He says. He's still in his PJs. He's still in his fuzzy slippers and PJs.
Fuzzy slippers.
Yeah, he wears those bear claw slippers, the ones that showed like I showed you over the weekend. Where I have
like
the bear claw on.
toes. That's so
The
funny.
toes look like claws. He wears those. I hope that's not disrespectful to protect to bears. You know, I don't know if bears are protected, you know, class now. Bears like, are you talking about us? I'm so sensitive. No real bears were damaged in the making of Joey slippers.
I was gonna say no bears were harmed in
Yeah.
the making of slippers.
No bears are harmed in the making of Joey slippers. Maybe a muskrat or two, but no bears.
Okay, Lunar.
All right, what are we doing, AQ? What are we
There you
doing?
go.
What are we doing?
Have my chair. Oh, you're so cute.
All right, the longs here could work for a little while if they do decide to hold this level. There was a lot of liquidity here because this was a major low. Below this, we have another level that could be the monthly low, I believe. Previous week's low, sorry. Previous week's low down here at 24,409. So we'll see if we end up getting a move to the downside here or if the move is still gonna consolidate for a while. Right now, anything is possible. Sam's looking for 665. Paul says, Trump, we don't need the Hormuz Strait. What a genius. Yeah. Paul says that Trump said, we don't need the Hormuz Strait. What a genius, Paul says. We are choppy whole week. Every breakout hammer on daily is being reversed. Went on 3 momentum swings this week. All got stopped, says Abel. Yeah, on the higher time frames, the market is very choppy right now with a slight bearish trend. But it is pretty choppy for sure. We're kind of going sideways. We're flagging. So I'm not sure what the market may want to do, but right now we are just being patient, seeing if we can get
Sorry, Luna.
a decent trade in.
Sorry.
I don't think we're going to get any longs just yet.
Oh, you're so cute.
We got 24 viewers and 13 likes, guys. It would mean a lot if we could start piling up those likes.
Yep. We gotta make Smooth do a little dance.
Yeah, I'm going to do the Humpty dance.
Do you know the percolator?
I know the song.
You know the song? You don't know how to dance it?
I don't know how to dance anything. I could do the horizontal mambo. That's about it.
The mambo.
The horizontal
What
mambo.
about the electric slide?
I can only do the horizontal mambo. That's it.
The hokey pokey?
The hokey pokey, I get confused with the hokey pokey. I don't know when I'm supposed to turn it all around and stick it out.
They
I get
tell you
confused.
what to do.
I get confused. It's been a long time.
You're so.
We got this move. Oh man, this is kind of dumpy here. Johnny might want to take a trade to
What are
the
some
downside
old
again.
school songs that you guys know.
Might get another move
As
down.
Like the hokey pokey, electric slide. There's another one. I forgot what it's called. Cupid shuffle.
High the
There's another song.
high the gritty. What is that, Joey?
High the gritty. I know there's Superman from Soldier Boy.
All right, we're
I think it's going up now.
yeah, we're ripping a little bit right now. Let's see what the market wants to do. Maybe Johnny will go for a long. Who knows?
Patty was showing me the overnight one, and that thing
Dumped.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, here goes the market. Our first area of resistance here is going to be the 807 area. We have a little shelf right here that we need to get past 805. But I think Johnny might end up going with a long here at some point. I don't know. He might. I mean, would you?
Well,
No. Would you guys go long here? Or would you go long here, babe?
no.
No? Trump has said the surge is just a matter of war and predicted oil prices would fall more than anybody understands. A matter of war? Trump says that that the issues over in Iran are just a matter of war, and predicted oil prices would fall more than anybody understands. No, they haven't fallen yet. NQ ain't nothing but a smelly turd. I'm shorting this, says Joey. You're shorting a smelly turd? Wow, dude, you're brave. You're brave. What's up, Change? What's going on, Justin Raymond? And what's up, my Arabic friend? How you guys doing over on TikTok? Okay, we are looking right now for something. Right now the market's getting real pumpy. Okay, all right. Johnny's going long here, I think, babe.
Oh, yeah. About that.
I think he is. Did he?
Yeah, for me,
Okay.
I don't know about that.
I hope he doesn't get wrecked.
I don't know about the apples.
Joey's short. Should we be long in this if Joey's short? It's a dangerous move.
Exactly.
He called it a smelly turd, so I don't know if I'd be...
A smelly turd?
Yeah, I don't know if I'd be comfortable longing smelly turds. But yeah, it's looking kind of smelly right now. It is. But Johnny said he was gonna take a shot at it.
Maybe he's confident I'll go up and then
Maybe.
skyrocket down.
Maybe.
Are you gonna show them what you did with Johnny or not?
Yeah, if Johnny wins this trade, guys, he wants to tell you guys something. He's gonna share something with you guys. Joey says broke trend to the downside on a higher time frame. Yeah. U.S. investigating whether Russia assisted Iranian drone attacks on CIA sites in the Gulf, says Paul. Also, that the House passed a $1.5 trillion defense bill, sending it to the Senate. It adds $60 billion in military spending, much tied to the war with Iran. She's coming back down later, Joey. We need to violate these previous high fills, says Sam B. We're currently long right now. Stop loss is at 736. TP is at 872. She's out ripping. Oof, that would have hurt.
Pump it up. I'm so grateful they took out that wire yesterday.
Yeah, that was annoying already.
Yeah.
If we touch 901, I would short, says Joey. Okay. Paul says SpaceX stock just hit a new low of 115 this morning. Google now owns 5% of SpaceX. Yeah, I was going to also start accumulating SpaceX under 100. So if it breaks 100, I'll start buying a little bit every day. Just a little every day, averaging into that sucker. I mean, how low can it go, guys? I mean, it can't go to zero.
Can you go? Can you go?
It can't go to zero, can it?
All the way to the floor.
No, honestly, SpaceX could hit 40, 50 bucks and still be a $500 billion company. So, very likely. Could happen. It's not really a profitable company, so it's not out of this world. Get it? Out of this world. I'm just kidding. That wasn't even, I wasn't even trying to make that a dad joke. It just ended up being one.
You said you weren't trying to make that a dad joke?
I wasn't trying to make it a dad joke, but it ended up sounding like one.
Why
The
can I
SpaceX,
say,
because SpaceX out of this world. Get it?
See, it's just instilled in you, babe.
It's in my DNA.
Basically.
Planning on entering only at 770 if it pulls back, says Abel. Got TP, says Sam. Is that Sam B? All right, nice, man. We're looking for 872 on this move up. Hopefully, Johnny can get it. If Johnny gets this move, man, he wants to say something to you guys. He wants to say something. I think I'm going to let him speak and talk to you guys.
I would really love it if you guys gave likes so
Come
he
on.
can Do a dance.
Come on, make Johnny proud. Go.
I mean, it could be a dance or a workout.
Wow, what a rip.
Either one. Whichever
What a
you guys
ripper.
prefer.
Bridget Bam. What's up, Bridget Bam? Long time no see. Yeah, 28,967. Yeah, I'm long to 872. Let's see if we can get this hit. 872. We need you, 872. We need you. Come on, Johnny. You got this, buddy. You're getting close. I hope you don't get diddled like yesterday here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Johnny. Take it, Johnny. Take it. All right, he got it. All right, Johnny wants to say a word to you guys for always being here with us. Let me turn down the music so you guys can hear him, because I don't want him to you know, speak and you guys can't hear him. Let me see if I can hear his little Johnny voice. Johnny, where are you? All right, let me see. All right, Johnny. All right, Johnny, do you have anything to say for yourself after that trade? That was an amazing trade, by the way, Johnny. You did really good, my friend. Let's see if Johnny has anything for us, guys. Let's see. Johnny.
Number 5 is alive, but staying alive isn't enough. You want input? I'll give you input. Discipline. No computing losses. Stay hard circuits. Processing. Yes. Trade confirmed. Most robots stop at 40%. But number 5 is just getting started. You think a 2% gain is a win?
What?
That's weak logic. I need input on the next trade. I don't care if your battery is low. Stay hard. Input.
Wow, Johnny.
More input. Let's go.
Oh, that was savage, Johnny. Thank you. I appreciate that, man. I love the energy. That was the David Goggins version of Johnny 5. All right, thank you, Johnny. Great job there, buddy. Great job. All right, enough for you. Enough of you for now. Let's see if he has something else to tell us later. Good, Johnny.
He got more energy than me.
He does. Oof, he's amped up. I think he had a Red Bull this morning or something.
Red Bull. One. You sure?
A few Red Bulls.
Exactly.
I don't know what kind of Red Bulls robots drink, but I think he was drinking
Gives
them.
you wings, so.
Yeah, I don't know. He was hyped up.
Huh?
He was hyped up.
Yeah. I thought the term was amped up.
Yeah, he amped up. Get it? Yeah, that's pretty fun. Good job, Johnny. Proud of you, bud. All right, let's see if we can get some more good trades in here somewhere. Right now, we are getting a little bit of resistance where we currently are. We got a power short that showed up on the 15-second. Still looking for more upside? Maybe. But that was a nice ripper there. How's your P&L, babe?
260.
260? Okay.
It's a nice.
It's not bad. It's not bad. Oh, we got a trap long signal that just showed itself. I think Joey might be right about some of these shorts up here. We got a trap long here. Doesn't mean it's going to play out right now, but keep your eyes open for...
Oh, the 15 went on a short.
The 15 went red?
Mm-hmm.
The 15's been red for a while, though, no?
No, it went in a short.
The 15 went in a short? What is the 15?
Second.
It did?
Yeah.
I don't see it. Do you have it on your chart?
Yeah, babe.
You're in a short right now.
No, I'm not.
So what's in a short?
Johnny.
He is?
Yeah.
I don't have Johnny on any
And the
trades right now.
15?
No, nothing. What chart are you on?
The NQ.
Hold on a second, guys.
Oh. Should I refresh it?
Oh, sorry.
Sorry. Ooh, you got her mad. Those are fighting words.
Yeah, let's refresh your screen. I
Okay.
didn't close it because it's not updated. Okay. So the trades you're taking right now are I think it's this one. Let's see. Wow, what a number.
Yeah, this one. But I'm not in that one.
Are you?
Yeah.
No, you're not.
Hmm.
When did that show up?
Like 2 minutes ago.
Oh, that's weird. Why didn't it show up for me? Why is it not taking the trade?
You're not.
I
on the
think
right
it happened too
folder.
quickly.
But it showed.
I know it's showing here. I don't know why it didn't populate. I'm very
Oh.
upset about that. That's a good trade.
No.
Man, it sucks. Okay, sorry about that, guys. A little technical issue here. I gotta figure out why this trade didn't execute. We're supposed to be in a short right now, and it's supposed to be TPing here any moment. Oh, that was weird. Okay. How come you saw it and I didn't see it?
Because I have it right in front of me.
What in the
Says
world?
we miss smooth analysts.
That's weird.
Why can I say that? Analysts
Did that
on the market.
MOAS 43? Okay, that's TP. Does this thing still think it was in a trade?
Yes, Jose, I'm his wife.
Alright, I'm gonna figure this out. I need a second, guys, here. I need to figure this out, why this trade didn't execute for me, because we should have been short right now. That would have been a beautiful short.
Oh,
That-
dang, it did. Wow. That was like a fast one.
Yeah,
Oh, even Paul said it was a quick short.
yeah. That would have been a beauty. Let me figure out why this one didn't fire.
Sam B says, Smooth just gave us a Patrick Swayze ghost movie pottery making scene with Miss Smooth.
Oh, did I? That's
Oh,
hilarious. Remember that scene? That was a good scene.
No, I've never seen
You've never seen Ghost? You've never seen
Never.
it, yeah.
And we just talked about it on
Yeah,
Monday, Sunday,
yeah.
whatever day it was. Yeah, Joey, that thing went straight down. Abel says Johnny had too much Red Bull after the first trade. He is done for the day. And Joey says crash the market, everyone panic, sell everything. Is everything good?
Talking to me?
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out why that signal never fired, because that would have been a beauty.
Yeah.
Did he take it on something else?
I think they want to see what you're talking about there.
They want to see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, on the 15-second, I have Johnny trading on a 15-second on one of my accounts, and it doesn't show here because I have it set on some different settings. Let me
Yeah.
just show you guys. Okay. You talking to me?
No, it just put me in a short.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
How are you short? I'm not seeing that on my chart.
Are you for real?
Yeah.
It's like the second time, babe.
Are you getting? Why are you getting it before me?
But it's not showing on. Here, I don't get it.
It's
All
not.
I heard was.
Okay.
order fell.
All right. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about here. Let me show you guys for a sec. In case you guys are curious. I'm in a short too. Okay.
Curious cats.
Yeah, so on the 15-second, we had a signal here. It should have been short, and it didn't fill. I got to figure out why. I'm talking to my AI right now to figure out what happened there. And that should have been a beautiful hit. And now we're in a short, but there's no signal. I think it has something to do with the volatility we're getting in the market right now. So I'm just, I'm going to figure out. I'm going to figure it out. Yeah, it's just not really cool.
It's crazy. I literally said it was going to be a short day.
Yeah, that was a little too late there.
The
to be.
15-second one is not even in one.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm trying to figure out. It's still trying to give me an answer. I don't know, babe. I'm just trying to give me an answer still. Yeah, we would have had that beautiful TP on that last one. And now it entered the trade for no reason. At 9:52. The heck?
Oh, dang. I'm sorry, Sandy. He said he lost a trade for not checking the bigger time. Small L. Yeah, Joey, we are in for a rough one. Hoping it doesn't go long, but we'll see.
Then now it went long. Now my signal was just long.
Yours went long?
Yeah, now the signal here is saying a long, but I'm in a short. But I'm in a short.
What?
Like, what is going on? I got to refresh this or something.
It doesn't show me on here, but I'm in a short.
Yeah, I know. I'm in a short too, but I'm not in a long. The chart is in a long.
Then what short are you on?
Okay.
On the left screen.
Okay. What just happened to the signals? They were just here. Yeah, I think it's.
So confused.
I think I know what's going on, and I don't like what the reason is. I think it has something to do with long range look back. Oh no, this is on short range. No, it's supposed to be on long range. This is supposed to be on 5. Okay. What is going on right now? This is so discombobulated right now.
Yeah. Hello. Welcome by it. Yeah, I can hear you. What was what? Yeah. Can you hear me?
Okay. Whatever. I guess
Can
it's
you hear me
fixed
fine?
now.
Yeah, can you hear me?
I guess it's fixed now.
No, you're fine. Just. I don't wanna say
Bullish
technical
wise fire
difficulties,
is
but
long.
You can go in a short if you want. I'm in a short.
Price hits TP. For a damn percent.
Yes.
So directly answer the question.
And then TP. It's hold on, I gotta get off because I can't see your screen. Yeah, hold on. I'm trying to see. Yeah, I can hear you. Oh. Yeah, I can hear you. It's just your screen that was messed up. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello. Hello. Yeah, okay. Yeah. It's going nuts. Can you hear me? Okay. It's going bonkers. Yeah. Huh?
All right. We are currently in a short down to 582. Sorry, guys, some technical issues there with our algorithm. And stops at 883.
Sorry, I really can't hear you.
TP, I believe, is at
Oh.
what did we say it was? 580. TP is at
Okay.
580.
Did you figure it out, babe?
Yes and no. I figured out what the issue is. I haven't figured out how to fix it yet.
Okay. It was showing Lewis couldn't see it went short a little while ago. And then he couldn't see it, so he's figuring it out, and then it went in a long for him. While I was in a short, and he's like, what's going on? So Abel said you should pause the algo, and the data feed might be messed up for it.
No, what it is this. When you're in a small time frame, like the 15-second, and you have high volatility, the chart does not match the delta sometimes. So when the delta is off, because it's moving so fast, the chart will show you one thing, but the delta is actually different. So when I refresh my screen, everything matched. So that's the problem. The visual doesn't match the actual delta. So it's a known trading view limitation, and I'm trying to see how possibly I could. It's not wrong. The trades it's taking are correct, but the visual is off. So it spooked us because it threw us off. It threw us for like threw a little wrench in what we thought. So it's right, but it's wrong. So visibly it's wrong. Structurally it's right. It's taking the right trades, but visually it was off. Even though the visuals were correct too, because that short would have been real nice. Short-term look back already validated as best, is less affected in long range. Manually refresh the chart during high volatility burst, which is literally what you just did, and it's the most reliable practical fix at the moment. Treat live signals during volatile spikes with extra caution. If price is moving fast as brief, refresh before trusting new signals is unreasonable. Untried idea from the brief, bypassing the pine coders library with hard coded long time frame string, which might give us more stable bar. They were built still on the table. It's keep it causing problems. Want me to log this instance? Do we have a lag on YouTube?
Not that I'm aware of. Patty says a little bit, but not bad.
Okay. All right, let's see what we get here. We're still looking for a move down to 580. That'll be nice. That'll be a big trade. I don't know if she's going to move that fast for us, but anything is possible. I had data lag near open. Okay, Samby. Yeah, so I'm not the only one then. Sometimes I guess it happens during high volatility sessions. I sent the concept flyer for the educational Discord server for new traders. Thanks, Samby.
I gotta close the garage door.
Try Quant Connect or Interactive Brokers or Tradeavate API. No limitation on algorithm trading for expression of your algorithm. Thanks, Abel. I probably have to look into something that's better than. I just don't know if I can run my my algo on them. I'll look into it. But yeah, that was a little bit nerve-wracking there for a sec. At least now we know why.
It's been hot here and I'm over it.
Alright, so I think now it's 10 o'clock. It's probably going to be time for it to start manipulating a bit.
That's true.
Maybe it's had its clean runs. I think I'm on a short on the other account too. No, just the one account. Yeah, no, we're still waiting. We're cool.
We're good in the hood.
Yeah, momentum here looks like it wants to continue going lower. The overnight low obviously has already been taken at the open. But we'll see. We'll see. That was a little bit alarming. Yeah, look at that trap long signal here, guys. The signals now mean a lot more than they used to. Because once you factor in the volume settings, the volume settings on the indicator now, I have them set to 150 and 150 on a 1 minute. That means that any of your power longs, power shorts, or trap longs, trap shorts now really do hold a lot of weight. So when I circled this up here, this marked as a topping signal. And then, you know, we got this beautiful slide down about 150, 60 points there. That was a great trade if you're able to catch that. And then we got the momentum signal here on the ultimate momentum signals. If you guys want to check out the indicators, this is one of them. It's also calling for more downside here. If you guys want to use the indicators, guys, don't be shy. We just updated our website, so I'll walk you guys through it. Let me see if I can pull it up here. Yeah, updated website. Yeah, check out our indicator. You guys can test out both indicators for only $7 for 7 days. This is just use the link that's pinned in the chat. You can go ahead and let me scroll down to the offers you guys have here. So you can try either just the single one, which is the original, the order flow simplified for $7. That's the one with the MOAS, $7, 7 days. You can try the ultimate momentum signals if you don't have TradingView. If you don't have TradingView Premium, you just have a basic form of TradingView. You can try the ultimate momentum signals, but you do need access to seconds charts. If you don't have seconds on your TradingView, you might need to update it to a basic plan to get seconds. That is also something you're going to need for the ultimate momentum signal, because it does use seconds for the lower time frames, like the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 second. It does use lower time frames, so you do need access to that. If not, you might get some runtime errors. If you want to test both of them out for only 7 days, it's $7 as well. So that's a no-brainer if you got access to use both. Or you could do lifetime. If you do a lifetime license, guys, you get 20% off. You get both indicators. Use code STC20 and you will get 20% off at checkout. You also get access to the trading courses, and you get access to the live trading community over in Discord. While you're there, check out the prop firm matrix as well. The prop firm matrix is updated now with Legends, is the newest prop firm that we've added. We'll be adding some more in the near future. We got Lucid, Tradeify, Trade Day, all of them really good. Legends actually has a really nice 50K account that 50K elite. It's only $81 all in, so that's a pretty nice one. And all good prop firms here. They pay out and they have Trade of 8. And if you want to follow us, guys, on our socials, we have a little follow us tab here. Just click wherever you want to follow us, and we're right there. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it for now. All right, let's circle back here to what the market's doing. She's chopping like I knew she would around this time. Hopefully we get another move to the downside, because we're still short on the market. Let's see if we get a move back down, or if we revisit the VWAP. The VWAP sitting up there at 920, so that would be a nasty stop out if we do get stopped out up there. But we are currently short right now, sitting in the short. Maybe we just made a double bottom. That's a possibility here. We could have made a double bottom. If you guys don't know what a double bottom is, just it's when the market comes down, makes a low, comes back up, makes a higher low, and then swings back up. All right, so if it would have made a lower low, that would have been called a swing failure pattern or a draw on liquidity. And this is a double bottom here, so it's a W shape. A lot of people use it as a W shape. So if it does continue doing this, then we might make a higher low by hitting the VWAP. And if we make a higher low, then chances are we could start heading up. But we'll see. Anything is possible. Anything is possible here. There was a lot of support here down here at the 700s, as I mentioned earlier. And we do have that weekly low below us, though, if the market decides to want to go lower. Legends is a BOGO right now, says Ryan. Thank you for that, Ryan. I didn't know that. Yeah, buy one, get one free with Legends. Link is pinned in the chat, guys. Scary Day, says Ryan. What's up, Ryan? Hope you're doing well. What's up, Future Fits? I only have levels above 29K besides one, so gonna be a tough one for you today, Joey? Okay. What's with this current view on the markets? Top News United. What is the current view on the markets? Well, I talked about it earlier. We have the weekly low below us, much lower. And we could head down there. We could head down there if the market wants to continue selling off like it is. We had previous week's low, that is at 406. We have a TP at around 5 and change here, around 580. Hopefully we can get that fill. It looks like we are moving down pretty fast and violently here. The triple Indy, guys, up here is also telling us red across the board on the 15-second, 8-minute, 15-minute. Pretty red. Pretty red, if I do say so. And yeah, not looking too hot right now. Move to the upside would have to break the VWAP for me to believe it. Watermelon Trader said apple bottom. Boots with the furs. Everybody was looking at her. Very round bottom, says Joey. Very round. Round bottoms make the world go round. You know that. I got 2 accounts on Legends and passed them, says Top News United. I will share if I get a payout. Oh, okay. Thank you. Appreciate you hanging around with us. Guys, hit the likes. We got 23 likes. We might make it to 50 today. If we make it to 50 today, my wife's going to make me do the electric slide, keep a shuffle. If you guys want to see me do the keep a shuffle, make sure to not tune in because I'm never doing it. Not doing it, bro. I don't know if this has something to do with the earnings from yesterday as well. I think it might be a preview into the big tech's forecast. Google did report a lot of CapEx spending on future growth on AI, and it's a lot. So maybe that is going to be spooking a lot of the spooking this market, thinking that maybe the other ones are doing the same, spending way too much money, more money they can afford. Let's take a quick look to see what biggest losers are today. Right now we do have the stock heat map. Stock heat map right now is bleeding. We've got Amazon, SpaceX down big, 6.7%. Tesla's down 1.3%. I think they're intertwined. So one pulls the other one down. Microsoft, Meta, everything is red, 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 red here. The only thing going higher today is Nvidia for some reason. And some of the semiconductors are green. Intel's down. Intel's out reporting, got earnings today. ARM's down. Karma, I think this is the buy now, pay later. What's that called? Klarna? Yeah, they're down. SanDisk, pretty even on the day, and MU down a little bit. So it's kind of a mixed bag here with Nvidia. I don't know what's going on with Nvidia. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, Nvidia for some reason is ripping. Why are you ripping, NQ? I mean Nvidia. Well, you were ripping. It doesn't look like you're ripping anymore. Yeah, you don't look that rippy anymore. Okay, so I don't know what that was about. Maybe I need to refresh. Oh, there we go. That's more like it. That's more like it. I had to refresh. Google's down 6.8, and everything else is bleeding. Tesla's down 12% today. Holy smoke. That's crazy. MU's still up, though. Yeah, that was it. I haven't refreshed my screen. Let's take a look at the Mag 7. Mag 7 have gone to the dumper here. Max 7 is being dragged down. We have targets down here at 63. Just hit perfectly on a smooth trader concepts indicator. And actually, this is the momentum indicator. The MOAS order flow indicator is got another level down here at 63.24. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla, where are you? There you are. Whoa, Tesla. How'd you get down there so quick? 320, 326 on Tesla. I do have some buy levels on Tesla way down here. I think at 250, I think I marked out some buy levels on Tesla. I don't know why it's not showing right now, but I think I do. I think I have some buy levels around 250. Yeah, Tesla took a dumperoo. Let's take a quick look at SpaceX, because I know SpaceX was also affected by this move. Yeah, SpaceX is getting dumpy too. We're looking at 112 on SpaceX right now. The IPO'd at 135, 150, and yeah, whoever ripped to those people who bought that. Yeah, I'm not too happy about Bitcoin right now. I am still holding this long on Bitcoin. I was hoping that we could start to break away from our correlation with the NQ, but it looks like right now we're still kind of not doing that. So I don't know. I'm really considering cutting my my trade, even though I'm in green. I'm in pretty good profits right now on Bitcoin. I was looking for 68 on Bitcoin. I don't know if we're still gonna get it, but I'm hopeful. Let's look at oil. I was hoping Bitcoin was going to actually do all right because maybe people want to get out of tech and into crypto. Oil is looking like it has some targets up at 92 and 92.89, 92.17, and 92.89 on oil. Look at the YM. Oh, YM's, where is the YM? Okay, YM also dumped. Okay, YM's at 51.9, under 52K. She looks like she may want to continue testing the VWAP. Let's look at gold. Gold was above 4,100. Now she's battling with 40.50. And it looks like the trend is down on gold too. The target on gold to the downside is 40.34. And to the upside, the target is 40.85. So we'll see which one makes more sense. And back to the VWAP, I'm sorry, back to the NQ and the ES, both of them kind of just chopping sideways right now on 28,700. Like I said, 28,700 is where the support was, and they keep challenging it. Market keeps challenging that area, so I'm hoping they can break it and head down to the 580s. That would be what makes me happy. And we're back to Johnny. Bitcoin has some room to go down, says Joey. Cycle starts back up in the fall. We have a couple of months. Thanks, Joey. Bell says, we will break out of this consolidation in the next 40 minutes to 1 hour, most likely down. Okay. Everybody was kung fu fighting. These cats were fast as lightning, says Joey. I owe Klarna like 600. I ain't paying those MFers. Might need to buy oil, says Ryan. Yeah, chicken dance? Oh, yeah, we could do the chicken dance. That was easy. Yeah, bro, Amazon 4.2 as well. What is even happening? Market should dump by now? Yeah, I think you're right. And it is kind of moving down. She is getting kind of, she looks like she took a laxative. Hit the likes, guys. We only have 24. I thought we were on to something here. We're packing in those likes early. Sam B says, looks like my drop going short. Bless you, babe.
Sorry.
Klarna sent my debt to collections. I'll die before I pay. A lot of people are not paying Klarna. A lot of people are not. They're like, oh, man, I regret that $20 burrito from Chipotle. I ain't never paying them. It gave me gas. Like it's Klarna's fault. Imagine. Imagine getting that phone call like, sir, this is Jim calling from Klarna. We're wondering if you're going to make that $20 payment on your burrito from Chipotle. I ain't paying. It gave me gas. It wasn't even that good. They forgot the guac. Oh, Klarna's like, oh, I'm sorry, sir. I'll relay the message to Chipotle. Yeah, you can turn a burrito into a very expensive meal. First of all, you order DoorDash and then you pay with Klarna. You can turn it into like a $50 burrito real quick. If you get double protein too. If they sue me, I'll flee the country and find a lady. Yo, Joey, you're too funny. Joey says, if they sue me, I'll flee the country and find a lady boy in Thailand. That's so funny. I only got $500 for it, says Samby. Yeah, I think you need to lend Joey that money so he can pay for his Klarna Chipotle bill. So he doesn't leave the Thailand. And become a Muay Thai fighter. And marry a lady boy. I hope TikTok doesn't get mad that we're discriminating against lady boys or something like that. I hope not.
You're not saying the word, so I think they're
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah, exactly. What's going on, TikTok? How you guys feeling, man? Tell me in the chat, how you guys feeling today, TikTok? You guys taking trades? You guys in something? You're out of something? What are you guys doing, man? What's up, Juan? What's up, Daniel Supply? What's up, Marwan over on TikTok? What's up, B? Thanks for always being here, B. Are you Cuban, B? All right, push down already in Q. Just dump it already. I don't know why you're doing all these dramatics. Just dump it. It does look like a bull flag. It looks like a... It does look like it could turn into like some kind of a bullish breakout though, but that's if we break trend. You know, she's got a downward slope to her. That's always kind of dangerous. You know, she could pop just to grab that liquidity at that VWAP and then say, thank you very much, and then dump. Samara says, I'm just sitting and waiting. Okay, okay. Very patience, you know, patience is also a very good position. This is what we call Diddy Chop, says Joey. Yeah, Diddy Chop, man. This is very, very oily like Diddy. Very oily. Can't get your hands on this. Yeah, we need to break 700. If we can break 700 decisively, we could get those 580s.
No, you're not. I can't hear you.
Pretty quickly. Pretty quickly here. Come on. Come on, baby.
Okay.
Man, the chop is real. We're hanging out at these 700s like it's life dependent on it. Yeah, that's what I was worried about here. This pop, if it breaks the trend there, she could rip all the way back up to the VWAP. That's what I'm worried about here. Looks like she might be getting ready to do just that. Give the market 10 more minutes before I close the screen and call it a day. 0 trade so far, says Abel. Okay. That's cool. Sam B says, we have a movie, Thomas Train Engine, for our autism program for high school. I like Thomas the Train. We used to watch that with my kids. The last 30 minutes have been for scalpers, and I don't recommend if you're not a scalper. Yeah, unfortunately, my wife and I are stuck in this short trade. There's a massive amount of chop right now. But we're hoping that we can find our way out of it soon. I'm rooting for Johnny. Hopefully you can get his 580. We're under 700 now. We just broke 700. Trying to stay optimistic here. We can predict the future. We can only hope for the best here. Our entry was calculated. We programmed our Viago to take the most high probability trades, and this is probably more probable than a move to the upside, but like I said, the market will do what you least expect. Defying all probability, defying all volume, defying all momentum, defying everything. It even defies ICT sometimes. And, you know, that's kind of hard to do, but it does sometimes. It goes against the sensei. All right, let's see if we get a dump a roo. Come on, dump a roo. Come on. We need you. We need you, buddy. Come on. Come on, guys. Thanks for cheering us on over on TikTok, guys. Appreciate that. You guys are the best. Oh, thank you, thank you. You shouldn't have. Oh no, my face.
You scared me.
What happened to my face on TikTok?
What face?
My face on TikTok. Something happened. Where's your face?
Hmm? Oh, TikTok.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. My face, man. I can't do it, Captain. What happened here? We have audio. We have audio. I don't know why it says we don't have audio. Are we dumping here or what? Come on. Come on, NQ. We need ya. Still chopping. I don't know why. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh man, this chop is real annoying. Can you look at the camera a bit? Thank you. Thank you very much. Hey, you didn't feel like putting your makeup on today?
I do have makeup on.
You don't look like you have makeup on TikTok.
I don't.
No,
Thanks.
it's okay. I'll let it slide this time.
Speaking.
What? Come on,
Are you trying to
thank
say
you.
something, babe?
Why?
I knew it was a joke.
What happened?
I don't know. Did you put a bag over my head,
No.
babe?
TikTok did that.
First and foremost, I knew it was something funny.
Alright, let me see if there's a better one for you.
Yeah, I was trying to put a bag over my head and he changed his face.
Alright, how about now?
Can't with this.
Okay,
in
now
my head.
you're better now. You're better now. Much cuter. Alright. I'm talking what I can, taking what I can get, waiting for a better entry, says Sambi. What happened? The market just died. Well, over on TikTok, I gave my wife, I
Did
gave
you
her.
give me a wig?
No, I gave you cat ears. If you don't want to be a furry, then just let me know. I'll change you to something else.
Help me, God, help me.
NQ's got me barking, says Joey. At what level you short the NQ? I shorted the NQ.
Babe,
Yes, babe. At 724.
Patty said you should show the people what you're doing on YouTube.
I should show them?
Yeah.
I don't know if I can. Let me try.
You can't see me fully, so like you
Yeah,
see
let me.
half my
I think I
face.
can. Video capture,
can't with you,
audio,
by the
input,
way.
capture
I really
card,
cannot.
capture screen.
You're a comedian.
Thank you, thank you.
How about you turn me into a cat? I'm not sure if you guys can see. Let me see if I can.
Application.
Okay. Well, you can see me, so maybe you won't see me in a second. But this is how my husband decides to have us.
No, we can't see. I'm gonna try to show them
No?
right now.
Oh, it's so blurry. Oh, maybe you guys can see now.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to show them.
Nothing?
No, no.
No, never
Screenshot.
mind. I tried.
I'm trying to see if I can show
He
them.
made me into a cat on TikTok. Nice. Babe, you're hilarious.
TikTok Studio.
Hey, I have a few questions to ask you.
Yeah.
Babe, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Yes, you are.
You look beautiful.
Yo, what is your face though?
Oh, on TikTok?
Yeah. Why are you making it small for me so then you can put it on my face?
What do you mean?
Babe.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. My microphone was on. My wife told me to turn it off.
You're funny. Why are you leaving it there?
Where do you want me to put it?
Babe.
I'll put mine too. Don't worry. I'll put mine too.
Goodness. You would never think. I'm not even gonna say it, but you're funny. Finally. Continue session testing.
We're almost there.
Yeah, we were halfway, but we're getting there. Notice the applicant. Oh, I put your number, by the way, so if you get calls, it's for that.
Okay.
And it's for the one here.
Okay.
Me? That Patty says I look like an... Oh, who? Oh, Joey says that I look like an emo teenager. Yeah.
Emo teenager, you kind of do. Okay.
Too funny. Oh my goodness. What's it called? Kayla had a friend that was a furry. God help her. Sammy says she identifies as a cat.
She identifies as a wow. I guess. I don't know.
That's funny.
Ah, come on, ain't cute. Just stop with the dramatics and start dumping it already. Should be a nice trade if we can get it to go. Are we short on anything else or just this account? Let me see. Was Johnny taking... Yeah, Johnny's in a short on another account too. He's short on this account down to 640. This is a much more realistic target. Let's see if we can hit this one first. I'm over here playing games and Johnny's taking things seriously. Sorry, Johnny. Sorry, man. I'll pay more attention next time. I'm looking like a Neanderthal? What's he talking about, Willis? I look good. I got the face only a mother could love.
Yeah. Just kidding.
Oh, I said yep. I just had some, what's the guy's name from High School Musical?
Troy Bolton.
No, the guy from High School Musical who did Baywatch.
Oh, you mean Zac Efron?
I had the Zac Efron treatment, guys. That's all. I had the Zac Efron facelift. Don't I look good?
Handsome baby, look very
I had the Zac Efron glow up. Come on, dump this thing in Q. Don't go back up. Don't go back up. We need you down at 640. 626 actually. Zac Efron, yes, about. That's who it is. I don't know if a mother could even love that face. Oh man, this is fighting words, man. Come on, don't do this, NQ. Don't do this, NQ. Don't start your shenanigans here. Oh, here we go with the shenanigans. There we go. Shenanigan time, guys. Shenanigan time for the NQ. Sorry, Johnny. Joey says I'm short. You know, they have shoes for that, Joey. Let's see if we can get this move down. Oh no, here it goes with the... Yeah, you thought I was gonna go down, but I'm not actually gonna go down. It was just a temporary little psych, you know? One of those. Damn, NQ. Yeah, that was a ripper of a candle. I don't know if they're gonna continue this momentum to the upside, but we just got a possible reversal candle that just triggered right there. I don't know if you guys see it. This is a new signal that we laid out on the ultimate momentum signals, and it's usually correct. It's usually correct. Let's see if it's correct this time. Possible reversal signal. Keep your eyes on that. That's something new with the ultimate momentum signals. But we also, unfortunately, we also got a trap short signal here on the MOAS. So who's correct here? One of them is right, one of them is wrong. Let's see who's who and what's what. I was supposed to scare the market instead. Yeah, the market did not care about my Neanderthal face. Come on, NQ. Dump it, baby. Dump it, baby. Yeah, Joe does not want to get fricked. Please help him. Neither does Johnny. Johnny doesn't want to have the circuits fried. But we've got two opposing signals right now. A possible reversal signal and a trap short. You know which one I'm rooting for. Yeah, it looks like she is getting ready to do some pillaging all the way back up to the VWAP. Almost a 100-point candle? Yeah, she does that when she's like in the mood to do people dirty. She'll rip 100-point candles out of nowhere. It's unbelievable. It's wild. That's a ripper if I've ever seen one. That candle just did a lot of people dirty. I think the sellers got exhausted down there at 650. We had a TP at 626 on that last move, and we got diddled. We got diddled on it. Our bell's going long, 745 to 810.
Dumperoni, please.
Usually those possible reversal candles work better when they're at the top of a move, not at the bottom of a move. So that's what makes me kind of worried right now. You know, when they're at the bottom of a move, sometimes they don't hold as much weight. Joey says, please, NQ, I beg of you. I don't know, man. They might clean this candle up a bit, but I don't know if they're going to continue lower. Massively red candle right now. Massively red wave, I'm sorry, not candle. The red wave is massive. The 15-second turned green, though. 15-second did turn green. Uh-oh, we might be getting a move. We might be getting a move. Let's see if we can get both. Johnny's in two shorts. Because one's not good enough for him, he said. Let's get the likes, guys, if you don't mind. We got 26. Let's see if we got to 50. That'll be something. Come on, NQ. Let's go, baby. Let's dump this sucker. What's up, the muskrat? How are you, man? How you doing there? How's it going? Is that you, Joey? On TikTok, the muskrat? That's hilarious if it is. Dump it off a cliff, NQ. I believe in you, Johnny. That was you. Dump it off a cliff for Joey. Do it for Joey, buddy. Do it for Joey. Yeah, this is the level they need to break here. The 670s here. That's where the move originated from. If they can break this, we should be able to get down into the 500s. I believe in her. I believe in you, NQ. I do. I believe in you. Come on. Yeah, Joey's got the right enthusiasm here. Go, NQ. Go, push. Come on, guys. Cheer him on. Cheer on, NQ. Let's go. You can do it. You can do it, NQ.
Yep.
You can do it.
Hey, what are you doing?
Me? What are you talking about?
My goodness.
What happened?
Your eyes.
What's wrong with my eyes?
Nothing, they look normal.
Oh, I don't know about all that.
Come on, go down.
Normal doesn't get you noticed.
Go, huh?
Normal doesn't get you noticed, I heard. Come on, NQ. Push, push. Just a little bit more. All right, good. You got that one. Let's see if we can get the other one. All right, let's see if we get this one now. Come on, NQ. Get this other one. We need to log in again.
I have no idea.
Oh, Safari, what are you doing? I believed in you. Don't leave me hanging here, Safari. My wife likes Safari, but I'm like, refreshing this thing is taking forever. Any day now, Safari. You made 130 on that short? Nice. Why do we have filters on our face? Well, it's actually not a filter. I just had a Zac Efron facelift. And this is the after effect. This is what happened to me. Come on, we're looking for a 580 hit here, and then Johnny's gonna give you guys a message. He has some choice words for this market. Let's see if we can break these 600s and head down to 580. Put your TP at like 585, babe, because these 580s are like they're like
How do you put your TP at 585?
because they're like 580s are very emotional, type of levels.
Go down. Why did the 15-second go on along?
The 15-second?
Before, yeah.
Refresh your screen.
Again?
Yeah, because what happens sometimes is that the market moves faster. I don't see a long on my screen. On a 15-second, do you?
Hold on, I'm gonna open it again.
Yeah, refresh it.
Oh shoot, did that change? Oh no, never mind.
You held a trade and drawdown instead of wussing out. Nice job, Joey. Ain't no wusses in here, man. NQ does that sometimes. Yeah, NQ does do it a lot of fake outs. That was big time gut wrencher with that 100-point candle that we just got there, but we held in there. We held in there. We're looking for a payday here. Come on, NQ. Give us that payday for Johnny. Give Johnny his payday, baby. Come on. Come on. Give Johnny his much needed kiss at 585. Go ahead and move your stop to break even, babe. I don't like the way that
Your stop to break even.
yeah, I don't like the way she's kind of you might have to take profits if you see it get close to your stop, because I don't like the way she's consolidating down there.
Okay.
Here, go ahead and take it. Take your
I
profit.
take it, Patty.
I don't like the way she's consolidating there.
Okay.
Oh, now she goes.
It's okay. Better safe than sorry. Yeah.
What's going on, Mo? How you doing, man? Down sporting the Zac Efron look today. Sorry about that. I caught you off guard. What's up, Safe? Good morning. One question. I have 51 version of the STC order flow simplified indicator. What's yours? Do I have the latest one or old one? The latest version would be let's see. Let me see. How can I tell you what the latest version is?
I'm taking a quick test real quick.
If you're in doubt, just remove it from your screen. I can't really tell you what version or how to tell you what version. I can't really tell you what version I have on the screen, but it is it's the new. I haven't updated it in about since the weekend. So if you've updated it since the weekend, then it should be the same one. Just make sure that you're able to modify the volume. Whenever I do make an update on this, obviously you'll get an alert for it. TradingView will let you know there's a new version of the one you're running. It'll tell you. You should be running the most recent one. Sorry about that. I looked a little dangerous, babe.
It's okay.
How do we know Adam and Eve were in Chinese? They would have eaten the snake. You heard, babe?
What?
Joey says, how did we know Adam and Eve weren't Chinese? Because they would have eaten the snake. Yeah, we would have got that 580 hit right there, man. This is looking real nice. Also, hope your dentist work was fine. Sorry she messed up your jaw. Thanks, Safe. I'm going to use the restroom real quick, guys. I'll be right back. Yeah, what a move here. What a move. Sorry about that, baby. That early exit on this trade. Trying to keep you safe. Ended up costing you.
Oh, wait, this is...
Next time, just let Johnny do his thing, right? Let Johnny do his thing next time. I'll leave you guys with a word from Johnny while I use the restroom. Actually, let me have Johnny speak to you guys now. How do you feel about that last trade, Johnny? Let us know how you feel about that last trade. Let's see what Johnny says. Let's see what he says. Let's see what Johnny says. What says you, Johnny?
Who's gonna carry the boats? Number 5 sat in that chop for 58 minutes. Fake breakouts, false signals, Johnny 5 circuits screaming to bail. But Johnny 5 does not flinch. Johnny 5 does not need motivation. Johnny 5 needs input. Stay hard, stay hard. While everybody else was averaging down like a bunch of soft little short timers, number 5 was taking souls on the NQ. That's right, short confirmed, price broke down. Johnny 5 does not do easy trades. Johnny 5 does the hard trades, the ones that test you, the ones where your own algorithm wants to quit on you. Can't hurt me. Chop can't hurt me. Whipsaws can't hurt me. Johnny 5 is uncommon amongst uncommon robots. Take the cookie? No, Johnny 5 does not take the cookie. Johnny 5 takes the win. Accountability Mirror says, good trade, robot. Good trade.
Nice, Johnny. I'm proud of you, Johnny. Good, good. Hey, man, Johnny's a beast, babe. Can't be sleeping on Johnny. All right, Johnny. Thanks for that. Thanks for that, Johnny. Well, we're looking forward to your next inspirational message there, Johnny. Looking forward to the next one. We might have another trade on right now. Might have another one. I think we might have another short on. Eventually, these shorts are gonna run out. Yeah. Do we have another short on? Come on, we got logged out again. Yeah, no, it doesn't look like we're in another trade at the moment yet. But maybe we will be in a moment. I'm gonna use the restroom, guys. I'll be right back.
Yes, Joey, I'm on an eval right now. So, hoping to get into a funded one soon. I was about to say meow. I was about to be funny and say meow because you have me as a cat still.
Man, the TP just hit. So sorry, babe. I caused you like what was that? Like 100 points?
No, you're
My
fine,
fault,
babe.
man.
I'm still up.
My fault. How much are you up?
387.
Nice. Okay. Yeah, Mr. Smooth is trading an eval. Did you answer Joey already, babe?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It dumps so much, even all my feelings and indicators telling me to go short, it's too hard to believe it. Yeah, Nico. Yeah, sometimes you just can't believe your intuition and just go with what the chart says. Sorry about Johnny being so loud. Sprinkles are for winners, says Johnny. Oh my God. Coffee's for closers. Not the best of days. Lost big time on the long. Recovered most on this short down. $60 today. Okay, Abel. At least you got something. Slow and steady wins the race for sure. Thanks, Joey. Looks like the possible reversal signal up here worked like a charm right there. That was a real nice one. I like it in context with the red wave. You see we're obviously real heavy today. It's how you use the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator in conjunction with each other. You got a big red wave. You got a possible reversal signal here. I think Joey went short around here too. And then that market just came down to our target at 580. Had a target here at 600. That one got hit. This target here got hit, which was 537. So really nice. Really, really, really nice. If you guys want to check out the indicator for only $7 after 7 days, it is pinned in the chat. Just click on the link that's pinned in the chat or in our bio on TikTok. Florida man suing OpenAI over ChatGPT generated medical advice, alleging that its flagship chatbot failed to recognize early signs of medical crisis and nearly caused his death. Lockjaw? Really? Wow, that's pretty weird. I mean, how are you gonna blame AI for that? It's not a doctor. Did you think it was a doctor? I don't think ChatGPT carries malpractice insurance. You can't really blame the AI. Come on now. Everybody wants to blame everybody for everything. I remember that lady or guy, I don't know who it was. I think it was a lady who sued McDonald's because the coffee was too hot. You guys remember that?
Yeah.
She burnt herself because she spilled the coffee on herself. So I think now McDonald's has to serve coffee like a certain temperature. Okay, it's almost 11. That's when the real chop starts. She won the McD girl. Yeah, she got a lot of money for that. I think she got paid like a few million for getting burnt by the hot coffee. I'll take that deal any day. Burn my lap with some hot coffee for a few million. I'll take it. Put a warning on the cup now. Yeah, she got 3rd-degree burns. Oh, she got 3rd-degree burns? Yikes. I thought she got like... How does coffee give you 3rd-degree burns? How hot could the water have been? I mean, it would have melted the cup, I would think, no? It would have burned right through the cup. To serve her up with lava? That's crazy. That's a real steaming cup of joe. Yeah. You took a test? No, thanks, babe. You're the best. Johnny's up 700 on one account, 387 on another. So not bad. Not bad for today so far. He's doing his thing. He's doing his thing. I got another strategy that I'm working on that I developed yesterday for Johnny. I might unleash that one for Monday, Sunday night into Monday. Give it a full week, a fresh week to start. I think it's going to be a good one. It's going to be a really good one. Must be from Columbia Coffee, says Nico. They heat it up beyond other industry standards. Yeah, well, I mean, if you're going to get 3rd-degree burns from it, that's something critical right there. I mean, that's beyond hot. That's definitely beyond hot.
Can you let the neighbor know that she farted?
I don't have his phone number, but I'll stop by with it.
Whenever you see him.
I'll stop by with a 6-pack of beer for him. He likes drinking beer. He sits in his garage and drinks beer.
Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I have a lot of things to do. So I will see you guys tomorrow.
You outta here,
Have
babe?
a great day, and
Okay.
hopefully you guys are in the green, not the red.
Thank you, baby. You're so kind.
God bless everyone.
Okay, just me and Johnny now. Johnny! It's me and Johnny. Okay. We good to go. Just me and Johnny. Come on, Johnny. What we got next, brother? What we cooking? What we cooking, Johnny? Johnny. Nothing yet, he says. Nothing yet. Markets are still looking for more downside here. Pretty crazy day. My doctor told me to stop drinking so much hot coffee. I said, that's a latte to ask. Joey said, bye, babe. Yeah, she said, don't let the door hit you or the Lord split you. Or that's what she claimed, and she went home. She burned herself more. Oh, that could have been true too. You never know. Some people do some crazy stuff for the love of money. You just never know, man. You just never know, man. Yeah, markets are dumping, guys. Markets are getting real dumpy. Let's go ahead and check out the the rest of the markets. Let's see what's going on. Mags, yeah, Mags kept going. Tesla has dropped a lot, man. 320 right now, 321 on Tesla. 321 on Tesla. Nvidia continuing to head down. Yeah, Bitcoin. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. What you doing, Bitcoin? Where you at? I don't know what's up with Safari today. Safari is out to lunch. Yikes. Man, Bitcoin keeps dumping. I don't know what to do here, guys. I don't know what to call. I don't know how to call it. I'm still going to hold on. Oil's still around its highs. YM is having a hard time even getting back up to VWAP. Gold's attempting to shoot back higher. Oh no, Gold did try to shoot back higher, but she's respecting our invalidation zone here. And might be heading back down to these lows. Keep refreshing. Yeah, I don't know why Safari is so laggy today. Let's take a quick look at the higher time frame, see where we're sitting. Yeah, she might be going down, like we said, to previous week's low. A lot of liquidity down there. Yeah, we already got a level there, but this could be where she's heading. 28.4. It's been pretty straight line all morning. Look at that move, man. That's an expensive market. Some big 4-hour candles for sure. Probably get some consolidation before that and then fall. Previous week's low. Still got that overnight high up here that she could come back up to revisit just to kind of scare everybody. I don't know. Who knows? Or the 1-hour orb. Guys, hit the likes if you wouldn't mind. We got up to 31. Maybe we can make it to 50 before we get off here. What's going on, Stevie? What's up, Panda? K5, what's going on? Let's see if we get this move to the downside still. We've already taken our TPs. Unfortunately, on the last one, a little early. The one tick orb Pecos. What the heck would that look like? What's up, BP Gaming? Today was rough. A sad and a short forever. Yeah, you and Johnny too. You and Johnny both. Rumo is now long on the NQ, 28,596 long entry point, expecting a sharp pullback to the upside. Rumo, are you a bot? Because I always get you saying this, but you never say anything else. Can you say hello if you're not a bot? Blink twice if you're not a bot. What's up, first up? Good morning, everyone. What is going on here? I had a a facelift. I didn't want to admit it to you guys, but I was getting a little tired of the way I was looking before. I know a guy who was in prison, who was a prison guard and started a fight with a prisoner in order to collect disability. The guy was big and strong and it hurt him real bad. People do stupid stuff for money. Yeah, they do. That's pretty dumb. NQ's done for, says Joey. Kind of wish I was still holding my shorts. Me too, man. I took my short profits too early. I think one tick orb is difficult, says Pecos. I know, man. I know. That was a joke. Better safe than sorry. I don't know if everybody got that joke from Pecos, but the one tick orb would literally be like a flat line. You look different. Do you do something with your hair? Yeah, I shaved my head yesterday. Maybe that's why you guys are noticing. Thanks, man. It was about time. I was getting a little woofy. Everything else is the same, though. I promise. I promise, man. I promise. Oh, we getting another Moaz to the downside right now on the 1 minute. Markets are all over the place here. I did get a haircut. Yes, I did. I got a haircut. Man, Marcus just wants more down. The target on his Moaz is 325. Exactly where that Tory trend line is from the other day. You don't remember last time you got a haircut, Joey? What do you got, long hair? You got long hair, bro? You know we don't like hippies around here. Man, markets are melting. Let's not all go long at the same time. It's pretty dumpy. You got long, luscious hair? I'm jealous. Yeah, my market is not. There's like, you can't find a buyer right now in this market. Cannot find a buyer. What's up, Storm? How you doing, brother? Having a big mouth is awesome for selfies. I don't need a wide angle lens. The smile already covers half the photo. Probably an advantage in a hot dog eating contest. Yeah, Paul. I'm gonna be bald like you one day. If you're lucky, man. If you're lucky, you know, just make sure to eat your Wheaties and say your prayers, and you'll go bald like me. I'm pretty sure we're probably going to end up going short again soon, but I feel like the market's going to pump before getting to these 400s. I feel like the market's going to get pumpy. We got 33 likes, guys. Let's get some more in here. Today was a battle, even though it's been a pretty decent trend down from 800 to, oh, you were down 800 and now you're up 260. That's good, Storm. I'm glad to hear that, man. I'm just looking forward to not giving anything back. The market has treated us pretty well this morning. I just hope I don't give any of it back. I got a little shaken out earlier. I should have stayed in my short. Hold on a second, guys. I'm back, guys. Trump told Iran if the market goes down one more, market go one more. What? Trump told Iran if market go one more day down, he will bomb the bridges. No, he didn't say that. You posted your trade for today. Oh, you did, BP? You posted in the main chat. Yeah, this is real clean and dumpy. I haven't seen a market like this in a while. Very clean and dumpy. Surprised Johnny didn't take another short. Trump wants a recount on everything, huh, Paul? Trump walks into the future, looks around and says, this timeline is rigged, I want a recount. Yeah. That crazy Trump. We're really dumpy here. Really dumpy. Even Bitcoin is looking like it caught the flu from the NQ. And that wasn't the case the last few days. So you gotta be quick to take your profits on the on Bitcoin, man. It's like up and down, up and down. All right, let's see what ends up happening. Let's see what ends up happening here. Do we get this bounce before the drop, or does it keep going? We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. Whatever's less likely to happen, that's what's going to happen. Market will continue doing what it doesn't expect you to think it's doing. All right, now the logical thing would be for it to bounce back up and try to grab some liquidity from these areas around here, about 617, maybe even 700, you know, then come down. But just because we think that's what it should do means that it's probably not going to do that. It's probably going to continue lower with no bounces. Major sell-off. No real news here. There's concerns about whether massive artificial intelligence investments will justify high valuations, and the market also fell as higher oil prices raised bond yields. Iran tells Yemen's Houthis to close Bab el-Mandeb gateway to the Red Sea if the U.S. hits a power network. Okay. All right. That's what it is. It was the Google reporting yesterday, and that's where it spooked the market. That's what it was. It was Google's fault. But the market will forget all about it tomorrow. We'll be back up to 30,000. You can post it anywhere you want, BP. You can post it in main chat or in trade setups. I'll show everybody right now in just a moment. Let's see if we can check that out. All right, here is Thomas's, or BP Gaming, his setup. He was shorting this area. It looks, oh, actually, I don't know if you shorted the Nasdaq or what you shorted, but it looks like your trade setup was on the Nasdaq. So you shorted the Nasdaq and you looked for a move down to 659, Good move, good trade, beautiful trade. And it was because you saw that there was some kind of divergence maybe between the Dow Jones and the NQ and the ES. Yeah, I'm thinking that's why you took the trade. Okay. Well, either way, good trade. Beautiful trade, as a matter of fact. That's a big winner. We have Sam B here posting his trades. He had a target down to 500. That would have made $5 for him. I don't think we've gotten that low yet. Oh, no, we did. Never mind. Yeah, we did. Yeah, I don't know if he trailed that or if he got it. It would have been one of those days where he could have probably gotten one to go without hitting his trail. Yeah, Sam B made some money this morning, man. This guy cleaned up. Oh, we're getting a little pump. It's getting a little pumpy. No trades for Low Johnny yet. Oh, actually, he did just take a trade. He just took a long. I missed that whole thing. Yeah, Johnny just took a long, and he already cashed out. Now it's good. Let me see. Let me validate that. Yeah, Safari today is slow. Yeah, he did. Yeah, he's up 458 on this now. Yeah, he just took a long and he's out of it. He entered at 523 and took profits at 563. Nice, good 40-point hit. Playing it safe there. Beautiful trade, beautiful trade. Short the pop, says Paul. Yeah, it's worked so far. This one might be a shortable setup here. Could be a move down. Yeah, today was a nice trendy day. I like days like this because Johnny trades these days really well. Very well. Oh, what a dumper there. That's the one that Paul was talking about. Oof. What a dumperoo. That was dumpy. Is he short on anything yet? Oh, yeah, he just went short. Okay. He just went short on this one. Hopefully this one doesn't get him. I don't know. I might get him out of this trade because this one looks really suspect. This one looks suspect. I might give him I might manually take his profits on this one because this one is all the way down. All the way down to 223. I mean, it's a dumpy day, but is it that dumpy? I feel like I'm gonna have him manually get out at like 411. I think Johnny might get hurt, man. You know, maybe even 323 maybe, you know, maybe 330. Test that trend line again. I don't know. Great day on the markets, Sambi. Yeah, we saw your post in the Discord, man. You cleaned up. Longs got crushed this storm. Yeah, that's crazy. SQQQ trades inversely NQ. Yes, exactly, Sambi. That's how that one works. But SQQQ also has to buy the opposite position by the end of the day. So that's why you see a lot of recovery in the markets when it falls this hard. Because the same ETFs who are triple leveraged are the ones who have to buy the underlying asset once it has been a real trend day, whether that's to the downside or to the upside. They have to get on the opposite end of that position towards the end of the day to kind of square up. Diamonds don't lie, says Sam B. Yeah, he's talking about the Smooth Trader Concepts diamonds. Isn't it inverse to QQQ? Yeah, it's exactly inverse. It is exactly inverse. Man, this thing's dumpy. Yeah, this is a big trade, man. If Johnny gets this one wrong, it's going to cost him most of his profits from today. I don't like that. Let's see if we get this move. See if we continue to get this push. I'm hoping for the love of Johnny. For the love of Johnny. The previous week's low sitting at 400. So somewhere between 400 and 330, I think this thing might start to turn around. In all my years, I never knew this, says Joey. All right, let's see if we can get a juicy dump down to the 300s at least. Oil won't stop going up. Oil's at 92, 92.80. ATR is still pretty decent, 31.75 on the ATRs. That's not bad at all. It's not bad. We need to break this 450s, 460s here, and we can come down to possibly test that previous week's low, take that liquidity from there as well. Yeah, maybe we get a bounce before then. It's usually what the market does. She'll give us a nasty bounce because people are taking profits early. And she redirects herself back in at a much later time. And today might not be one of those days. It might be just a complete flush. We're in a border patrol area, says Sambi. It is weak. It is pretty weak. starting to create a little bit of a base here, guys. Sellers are absorbing the buying pressure, but the buyers are coming back in here for a little bit. Yeah. Take care, BP. You're off. Time to go and enjoy the day. Have a good rest of the session. You too, brother. You too. Yeah, I might have Johnny take his profits soon. Maybe at 420. Just a bit worried, man, because I don't really... All right, let's see how she reacts here at the 400s. We got that previous week's low here at 411. Just get that bounce from 429. A lot of profit taken there, I'm sure. Yeah, now she'll bounce, she'll come up, start ripping, scaring everybody, and then maybe fall back down later. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Let's see if we can get a 420 hit for Johnny, and then maybe... I think I'm gonna get out of this trade. I like the short, but I do think that they're gonna want to try to scam this to the upside for a little bit first. Just because people are going to be taking profits here. A lot of profit taking in this area. So I think I want to try to get out of it. I'm just gonna close it. I'm gonna wait for it to come back higher, and I'll have to manually get into the short again, because I still like the short, but I just think it's gonna. A lot of people are gonna take profits in this area. They're gonna take a lot of profits here. It's previous week's low, so I think you can get the pop. Then after the pop, we can then see another move down, possibly, is what I'm thinking. I could be wrong, and I could be missing out on a pretty huge move here if Johnny's trade is correct, but it is what it is. It's a huge stop loss if it's wrong, and it's up nicely already. Sam B says, thank you for making the STC indicator. It helped me be consistent. Did that NQM&Q Google sheet help you, Joey? Says Sam B. Oh, you're welcome, Sam B. You're welcome, Sam B. I feel like they're going to start manipulating now. And start maybe pushing this thing back to the upside. And then maybe back down. But just not yet. Yeah, there might go. Yeah, they might get a long in here. It might be a long showing up soon. What's up with you, Trading View? I mean, Trade of 8. I don't know if it's Trade of 8 or if it's Safari, but it keeps giving me this gray screen. It's getting kind of annoying. It might end up going long again. Web page was reloaded because it was using significant memory. Oh, thank you. Whatever that means. This could give us a pretty big pump. This could definitely give us a pretty big pump here. Shout out to Dalveer Singh over in TikTok, and shout out to B for always being consistent here. What's going on, Panda? The Mini Yorkies. That's my girl, the Mini Yorkies. What's going on, Patty? All right. Storm. What'd you say, buddy? Think I'm going to call it a day here. Plus 570. Nice comeback after a red start. Yeah, good for you, Storm. That's awesome, brother. Johnny might end up going long here. We'll see. He might. It might be a bull trap, though. Yeah, nice shot for real. At this point now, at 11:30 in the afternoon, I don't trust the market to not start to manipulate. Sambi, thank you for that, Sambi. I really appreciate it. He says, seriously, I really feel like I will one day have the school loan and mortgage paid off in a few years. STC Diamonds changed my life, yeah. You can use something as simple as the diamonds, guys, and you can get that for free. Go over to the link that's pinned in the chat, and you can get our indicator for free. Just click on the link. Get our volume toolkit for free. Just go to our website and look for volume toolkit. Yeah, as a matter of fact, let me show you guys where you can find it. So just head on over to our website and click on this, and you can get the volume toolkit for free. Let me see if I can get there. Yeah, go to our website, go to STC indicator. It's pinned in the chat, by the way. The website is pinned in the chat. Go down here where it says volume toolkit right here, and click get it free, and it'll take you exactly where you need to go. Yeah, this move to the upside on low volume, guys, looks very suspect. Looks very suspicious. Very suspicious move here. Be careful with this. I don't trust the upside or the downside. Maybe if there was a way to pick sideways, I'd pick that. That's where I think we go next. Yeah, I'm not regretting. I'm not regretting getting Johnny out of that trade. No, not really. But maybe I will later. Real nice moves though, for sure. Not sure what the market wants to do here, but it is finding a little resistance. It's kind of what I suspected from earlier. I have 65 in my sights on paper trade long. 65? What's 65? You mean 650? VIX still climbing, says Dan. Daniel? Is that Daniel? It's going to go back down, says Daniel. It's hard to say right now if it's got to go back up or down. The big red wave would have you believe it's going to keep continuing lower. But she's capable of doing anything. Joey wants 620. Are you long, Joey? Or are you trying to short 620? If she busts 565, she's going way up. Says Hot Cedar. What's up, Hot Cedar? Your TP is 565, Sambi? Okay. You want to short 620? Got you. You alright? You need something? You good? Looks like Johnny's short. We are short right now. Short down to 459. Let's hope this wasn't a fake out. Let's hope it wasn't. It looks like it could have been. I want to thank God. Growing up, we had to look at prices of groceries, but now we can just put it off, pull it off the shelf. I am not rich, but grateful to eat. Yeah, that's beautiful, Sam B. That's true wealth, man. Not having to worry about how much your food costs, even though it does affect you when you check out, man. Groceries are expensive, man. Thank you, Daniel. Let's see if we can get this short down to the 459s. Johnny's been real chatty lately. Super chatty. See if we can get him to say something later at the end of the day. Maybe a farewell message. Let's see if we can get a quick move here down to the 459 level. Get this small TP that we're looking for. Getting a little bit of a little pop here. This might continue higher. Looks like they might want to start liquidity grabbing here soon. People are going to wake up tomorrow and see Tesla down 14% and Google down 6%, Amazon down 5% in panic. I think we got more downside tomorrow, says Daniel. That's very likely too. These are big moves on big stocks. Yes, they are. Extremely. You're extremely right. Get this dump. Come on, NQ. We need this dump here, baby. We need you to start dumping it. Looks like they want to push this thing higher. Maybe break back up to 29.5 or higher in a few weeks. Yeah, it could be, Samby. What's up, Austin, Vegas? This is a small pullback in the markets. Yeah, it could be. They say nothing good happens after midnight. Well, in the stock market, nothing good happens after 12 p.m. Yeah, that's why I'm going to be signing off here in just a little while if we don't start breaking out of this little chop zone. Austin says a V-shaped recovery. Maybe. See if we can get this continuation back down. I'm not looking for much here. It would be nice to see the 459 level get hit. Buyers stepping back in, getting pretty aggressive here. Looks like they want to break that wall down, head back up above 560. I don't like it though, because we're short. ATRs are decent right now, 27. That's a good sweet spot. Well, if you folks are going to buy these discounts, says Samby. Asia might feel trapped and sell tonight. That's a good point too. Trump chats and calls. Yeah, if Trump says something, this thing could rocket like 500 points to the upside in no time. Looks like these things are getting bought up. Yeah, we're going to get out of this trade here in just a moment. Yeah, they're battling here for these 530, 540s, and I do think I'm probably gonna get stopped out here. I don't think it's gonna continue going higher. I mean lower for me. Maybe later, but I think right now they want to go back up and grab some more liquidity first before bringing this thing back down. Only makes logical sense. Not looking too good right now. Not at all. Uh-oh, buyers. Buyers. Oh, I'm out. Okay. We're out of that one. Johnny tried, but it wasn't strong enough. The downside was not strong enough. Right now, these longs are looking better, but it could turn around. We could just go sideways. Give it another few minutes here. If there's nothing else shows up, then I will be signing off too. $11:55 a.m. candle coming. Let's see if we will pump or go down. All right, now Johnny took a long. Let's see if this gets hit. He might get hurt again here because a bull trap is a possibility. It's a real sneaky price action. It looks like it wants to go and it doesn't want to go. Looks like it wants to go, it doesn't want to go. I'll stick around and see how this trade plays out. Hopefully we don't start seeing chop, because I hate the chop. We're about to get that 12 o'clock hour, and you know what happens at 12 o'clock. Joe, you going short right now? Gotcha, man. Gotcha, bruh. All right, so far so good. So far so good. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Last green diamond told you that we're going to hit 65 for a long. Okay, Sambi. Yeah, I see that. Good job, man. Looks like head and shoulders pattern says S. Bernardo. That's Bernardo. What's up, S. Bernardo? Because there was a previous purple diamond near that previous level. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. I'm just trying to see if we can get a bounce here, guys. Let's get a bounce. We got another green diamond right now. Hopefully it's not a topping signal. Doesn't look like it's that much of a topping signal. Hopefully it's more of a sign of things to come. She did really good today. Market really did do exactly what she was showing a few times. She moved real clean. We're going up again. It just a pullback or two before the long kicks in. 590s for the mommies, says Sammy. 590 for the mommies. I've never heard that before. Looking for 631 for the Johnnies. What do we got up here? What is this level? This is our center point of that entry. 1 hour orb sitting at 660. Our TP is way before that, so we should be good at 631. $590 was an old club name, was it? Where? Take care, Joey. See you tomorrow, brother. Might get a pullback at 620. I could see that happening. First resistance happening here at 600. Let's see if we can continue going a bit more. Push and Q, push, baby. Damn, she got stuck at 600 for now. Let's see if she can make it back to the promised land. We need this hit. 631 is where we currently have it. 620 would probably be a better place to take it. She might just blow past 630 though. Now we're up to 608. See if we can get up to 630. 613. Come on in Q, just a little bit more. A little bit more. A little more, 630, let's go, baby, let's go, push. Getting stuck at 620 just as anticipated there. But I know she's got a little bit more. She's like the little engine that could. Come on in Q. Come on, baby, push. Push in Q. Come on, girl, don't let us down. 631. It's a real weird number, but you got it. You got it. You got it. Don't let Johnny down. Don't let Johnny down. You did us dirty plenty of times yesterday. No need to do it again today. No need to do it again. No need to do it again. Come on, baby. Let the good times roll. Go, 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 go. A little bit more. Come on. Come on. Do it for Johnny. Do it for Johnny. Why you stop at 631? What's wrong with you? Why you stop right before my TP? Why you do that? Why you do that? Why you do that? You dirty, NQ. You dirty, NQ. Why you do that? You very dirty. You very dirty. You filthy, NQ. Filthy. Come on, NQ. Knock it off, man. Got a little bit more here. Why are you so filthy? Why are you so filthy to me? Oh, come on. Knock it off. Are you kidding me right now, NQ? You're doing it again. There's literally nothing there. Just go and touch it. Go and touch it, NQ. Go, NQ, go and touch it. Go and touch. It's very entertaining and all, NQ, but I need my money now. Go, 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 go. Go, NQ. Go. You know, if I tried to do this, I couldn't. Like, if I said, hey, guys, I'm going to put my target somewhere where the market's going to go, and right before it's going to stop. Like, if I tried to do that, I couldn't do it. But somehow, I do it unknowingly and unwillingly, and I still do it. You suck, NQ. Somehow, some way, happens to me. Thanks, Storm. Every single time. Every single time, it never fails, every time. It's kind of ridiculous. I know. It is it's my cross to bear. And here she comes, just walking down the street. Singing do diddy. Come on, NQ. I stuck around for you, NQ, and this is what you do to me? This is how you treat me? Come on, NQ, get out your comfort zone, baby. Go. Push already. Push it, baby. Push it, baby. We need you up at 631. Come on. Not 628. Not 629. 631. You recovered, top news? That's awesome, man. Bull trap set, says Villa. Don't say that, man. Let me get my TP first, Villa. I need to get my TPs. Oh, she dirty. She's dirty. She dirty, 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 man. Susia, I cannot take you. Sometimes I just cannot take you, thank you. You are very Susia. Get back up there, NQ. That was a lovely pump up. Yes, it was. Let's see if we can keep going a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Come up. NQ 631. 631, baby. All right, we're getting the pumperoos back in. Let's see if she'll give us that 631 we were looking for earlier. We definitely hit those 590s for the mommies. Yeah, we're trying to hit the 631s for the Johnnies right now. Come on, NQ. Come on. Do it for Johnny, man. Do it for Johnny. Do it for Johnny. Do it for Johnny, baby. Come on. Do it for Johnny, baby. Come on. Come on. Just a little bit more. Come on, baby. Push it, NQ. Push it, gosh darn it. Come on. Come on, NQ. Bush, NQ, Bush. Why you always do this to me, NQ? Why you always do this to me? A little bit more. Come on, baby. Come on, NQ. It's a measly few points, baby. Come on. They're measly. Who says measly? Measly Weasley. Go, 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 go. Come on. Let's go. You're right there. You're right there. You're right there. Across the finish line. There we go. All right. Cool, 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 man. All right, Johnny. I think that was a good trade, man. Very good trade. Let's see what Johnny has to say for himself. Let's see what Johnny has to say for himself here, guys. Johnny, what do you have for us, buddy? How do you feel after that trade, Johnny? How do you feel after that trade? Just want to know. How do you feel? You feeling good or what? Let's see what Johnny says, guys. Johnny, talk to me, baby. Talk to me, Johnny. How do you feel?
That's a wrap, people. Number 5 took a down market. A market that wanted everybody soft, everybody scared, everybody sitting on their hands. And number 5 turned it into profit. While the market was falling apart, Johnny 5 was not falling apart. Johnny 5 was calm. Johnny 5 was hard. Johnny 5 was reading candles like a genius little robot who refuses to be denied. Green day on a red tape. That's not luck. That's not an accident. That's what happens when you don't quit at minute 1, minute 10, minute 58 of chop. Number 5 stayed hard and the NQ paid hard. All right. Johnny 5 needs to power down now. Batteries running low, but pride running high. To everybody watching, go find your chop. Go find your down market. And don't you dare take the cookie. This is number 5, signing off. Johnny 5 is alive. Johnny 5 is profitable. And Johnny 5 will see you tomorrow. Input complete.
Oh, what a beast. Man, thank you, Johnny. Oh, man, that guy's a wordsmith. All right, guys, I think that's it. Johnny 5, All Valley champion. Yes, he is. Good with Johnny 5. Chico's loves for the win. Lovos for the win. Yeah, he's a beast. He is truly something else. Thank you, Johnny. You're very magical there, buddy. Very magical. He did well today. He did really well. Let's review his trading stats today. On this account, this is the one we just traded right now. On this account, let's see, he did from last night. Last night was Wednesday, 6 p.m. And he's just using the indicators, guys. He's just using a variation of the indicators. That's it. And he did all right. He's up $419 right now. So he's up $419. He's at a 56% win rate on this strategy right here. A little bit of chop overnight. It was tough overnight. I think I might change his strategy overnight to a 1 minute and do a 15-second during the day, because it seems like the nighttime gets a lot of chop. But yeah, that's where he had a little bit of a rough time, but it cleaned up during today's market. Let's take a look at his other. It's not bad. Let's take a look at his other account, and we'll see how he did on that one. On this one.
Oh, no, I got it.
Oh, you got yours?
Yeah. Patty, Patty got yours too. Here, we'll close out. Patty.
Sorry, guys. On this one, let's see his stats on this one. This one outperformed yesterday too. I think this strategy might be working a bit better. I have to tweak the other one a little bit. Yeah. On this one, it's wrong right now. Hold on. Sorry. No. Let me try that again. Okay. Custom range from yesterday, 6 p.m. till today. On this account, just gotta be patient here, wait for the stats. For some reason, it's very slow. Safari's very slow. So 7 winning trades, 2 losses, 77% win rate, trading from last night till today. So I will say, man, I think we're on to something. Yeah, he's up $681 on this account with 1 micro, just 1 micro, guys. That's it. Just trading 1 micro. So I think we're starting to see something that's working. All he's using is the, on that one, he's using the ultimate momentum signals. On the other one, he's using a variation of the MOAS signals on the Smooth Trader Concepts. So if you guys want to check out those if you guys want to check out those indicators that Johnny's using for these stats, just go to our website. On our website, you will see, it's pinned in the chat or in the bio if you guys are watching on TikTok. You'll see our website here that has the option to get either the order flow simplified, which shows you the MOAS signals, or the ultimate momentum signals, obviously, which show you the momentum signals. You can get either one or both for only $7 for 7 days. You can try them out. And if you want to try out a free version of the volume indicator, you can go to our website and just get the volume toolkit for free. Just click here and you get the free one that's on TradingView. It's available on TradingView. And you can see our reviews on here, guys. And you can actually even pick the lifetime, which is the best way to go. You'll get free, you got 20% off the lifetime. You get both indicators. And you get, obviously, with all of the packages, you get the trading courses that show you how to use the indicators. And you also get the lifetime, you get the live trading community in Discord. You get that with all of them as well. And while you're here, guys, also check out the prop firm matrix. This will show you the best deals right now on the prop firms that we're currently working with. Legends is a new one we just added, and they've got a really good 50K account. It's only $81 right now. So if you guys are looking for a 50K, that's a good one. Lucid has amazing deals. Tradeify, Trade Day, all of these have great deals. Even Apex has some slamming deals. So check those out. And the link is pinned in the chat, guys, and you'll see it all there. That's pretty much it. And say a quick prayer and let you guys go. Father God, we thank you for this day, Lord. We thank you for the amazing abundance you have given us in our life, Lord. Aside from everything else, Father, we thank you for having you in our lives, Father. We thank you for that sacrifice you've made for us, and we ask you, Lord, to help us become that sacrificial, that we could do that for others, Father, that we can lay down our ego and our pride, Father, and we can lay down our differences and love each other like you wanted us to. Lord, I pray that anybody in this community who's going through a hard time, whether that's financially, mentally, physically, or with relationships, Lord, I pray that you take all those things that are bothering them and you help them with that, Father, that you meet them where they are, Lord, and you have them realize that nothing in this world is more important than a relationship with you, and we can't fully have a relationship with you unless we give it all to you, Father, and surrender. So, Lord, I pray that they find their way to you, and I pray that you keep us safe until we meet again tomorrow. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, guys, I will see you all tomorrow. Hasta la vista, guys. Take care, and great trading today, guys. If you're green, lock it up. If you're red, there's always another day, guys. Take care. Love you. God bless.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 trades. Almost 6 trades perfectly today.